Keep on, I said it ain't gonna stop. It ain't gonna stop, it ain't gonna flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Inflewence back again with a review of some camera gear, mobile and DSLR. Well, I guess it could be any camera if it fits. I'm not sure about, but I got a Nikon 5300D or D5300. So all of this stuff works with it, and some of it's strictly mobile. So there's one or two things that, maybe one thing that's strictly mobile, but there's some things here that can work with mobile as well, and I will go over that. This is just some gear that I've gotten and been kind of impressed with. So the first thing, which if you have a Nikon camera, you need batteries. So you need batteries. So for $21.99 you get two ecoEfficiency batteries. Now I'm not sure what that means, but you can read the stuff there. And these batteries are great because they work. This charger does not come with it, but this is the Nikon charger. And as you can see, put that down. I just wanted to show that they do fit the Nikon charger. And I haven't had a problem with these batteries. They last pretty long. Pretty good batteries. You get two for $21.99. So that's the first thing. And if you're wondering why I'm doing all this together, it's because I didn't want to try to milk like 3 videos of a bunch of camera tech that didn't need to be 3 videos. So I'm gonna try to keep it under 10 minutes if I can, possibly, because there's not going to be too many demonstrations of stuff. The second thing that I got is for $36.99 you can get lights. So I'm going to show you the light. I have to take it off the camera, and the light is gonna dim because it's the light I'm actually using. And it has a like a light box, so you can diffuse the light. It's like a light diffuser. You just wrap it around. Oh, there, can't really see it. Just wrap it around, just fits. It has the rig as well, so you can put it on to the camera, which it works really well, and I really like it. This is something that I'm very impressed with. If you have a Nikon camera, it was the Youngino camera lens, really cheap. It's a 50mm autofocus. As you can see, they have the actual switch, because even though your camera might say autofocus, you need a lens that's can work with the camera. Let me turn this down a little bit because I think the lighting is a little too bright. So yeah, as you can see, you got the autofocus lens. This lens was actually $65 for a 55mm autofocus lens, or 50mm, I mean, autofocus lens. Yeah, has the lens case, has this screw on to protect the other side of the lens. And I mean, for $65 you can't buy a lens like that. I bought it thinking, okay, it's gonna be garbage, but it's not totally garbage because I actually filmed this video here that I'm showing now. This is my New Year's video, so go check that out. Just a little New Year's wish, but I filmed that video with this lens. So as you can see, it's not too bad for $65, and it's autofocus, so can't beat that. Okay, moving right along. Let's see what the next item. Okay, this item is $22.99. It's the Fotopro UFO 2 set, which is this. It's a tripod. It's great for this camera, but it also comes with a bunch of connections. You can use it with the GoPro. Comes with connections for your cell phone. You can use it with your cell phone as well, and I suspect that is very good. This is the main event. Like, you have these three, they bend, they go out, they bend every which way. You can bend them up like that. You can bend them around stuff. They're really strong. I haven't bent them around things. You can have it like this, so it makes for a stronger tripod. And you can bend it like this. You can use it for vlogs, and then when you're on the go, if you want to set it down, just plop it down. It's really nice, really nice. So that is a good tripod. I do like that a lot. Batteries that come with, they actually come with the light that I showed, and it comes with the charger as well. Now this charger, it's just a USB, mini USB charger, so, or micro USB. Wait, mini USB. Yeah, I get those confused sometimes. But you can charge them up with any charger. I'm sure you got a bunch of cords laying around somewhere, but comes with the batteries. You can also use it in other lights. I have another light that I use that battery for, which is great. Is very good. And all that is $36.99, which is what I said before. With just I was thinking just a light, but totally slipped my mind. Now for some microphones. We got the Vidpro microphone. Oh, it's $19.95. And I will insert some footage here of the microphone in action. What's going on, people? Just testing this mic out so you can see and hear how it sounds. Oh, don't know. Check it out myself. This is the microphone that I used to make that clip. Comes with great microphone, especially for the money. Here's what it looks like without the windscreen on there. Comes with this windscreen, which is pretty nice. Got the microphone with a shock mount, which is cool. It doesn't need, for my DSLR, it doesn't need any battery power, unlike the other microphone that I will show in a minute. Comes with this cord, has this cord, which is a little shorter and no curliness, and it has a pouch that you can use with some branding on it. I think that's pretty good. It's good for a cheap microphone if you're just starting out, starting your YouTube journey, and you need a microphone. I would say to get that one. Also, let me move the batteries out the way. Next up, got the cell phone rig. This cell phone rig is pretty cool. I used it for a long time with a lot of my videos. It's 1828. There's also a version, that one's actually out of stock, and there's a version that comes with a light and a microphone. So I'm gonna link both those. All of these will be in the description for one. Links for everything, so check them out. But I'll also link the one that has the microphone, that comes with the microphone and the light. So this is fairly simple. Has bracket, moves up and down. Put your cell phone in there. Then you have the thread on the bottom, so you can put it on a tripod or whatever, or it's handheld, so you can get the steady shot. You get this little handheld action, which is cool. You have the threads up here, so you can put a light and microphone or whatever. So then you can get a real steady shot if you're in the field, or if you're on the tripod and you want everything all in one. This has been great for my YouTube beginnings. I really used this a whole bunch, and it was just it was great to use, because I mean, what can I say? You need it. Also, the last thing that I'm going to show for $11.99 is a little small rig. It's a ball jointed rig. I'm hoping you can see it. I'm using it on this light right now, which is the second light that I'm using. I'll also link that in the description. That's a pretty cool light because it doesn't need a battery. You can plug it in. Doesn't come with that plug though. I had that plug before. You just gotta make sure it's rated right. But as you can see, the rig, this has a clamp, pretty big clamp, and then you have two ball joints, and this clamps both ball joints, so you can move this around in any which way. And let me try to get a better shot. As you can see. So yeah, that's a little rig for $11.99. Last but not least is the microphone that I'm actually using right now. I'm gonna take it off so the sound might change, but it's this little clip-on microphone. It has super long cord, and also you do need a battery for this. It comes with a battery though, so you use it for your smartphone or a camera. I'm using it on a DSL right now, but you just put the battery in here and you just click, turn it on camera or smartphone. Very self-explanatory. This mic was $19.99, and with the free gift, I guess, it's the BOYA Lavalier microphone. It says for iPhone, but I've been using it for Android, so, and it's been well. That is also one of my staples of my early YouTubing, even though it's still early in my YouTube. But just so you know, that has been a great thing. So let's bring all the products back, minus the microphone that I'm using now that's strapped on to me. What else? Yeah, so these are all of the products that I reviewed today, and I do think that they're all great and great starters. I mean, they're even great for if you've been doing it for a while. Like me, I've been doing it for a while. I mean, I don't think I'm a beginner at this, but I'm definitely still in the early stages. Yeah, if you like this review, like, subscribe, share, and check out the links in the description for all where you can purchase all of these. You know, it helps me out a lot. As you can see, I don't have that many subscribers, so I'm not monetized. I'm not getting paid to do this. Even if I was, it's just, it wouldn't be that much because of, as you can see, my views. So I appreciate everything. I appreciate you going to my links to, if you want to purchase some of these, because they are affiliate links, and you know, I get a little kickback, which if you're gonna purchase anyway, why not help me out? All right, so I'll get over with y'all. Peace.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta say, who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.